In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wispr. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to handle the quick sign in or sign up steps so your download starts without confusion. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Wispr and press enter. Using that exact phrase helps surface the official site right away. On the results page, look for the listing titled Wispr Effortless Voice Dictation. Before you click, take a quick glance at the web address so you know you're heading to the legitimate page. You should see the official domain, which includes the brand name and ends with a trusted top-level domain, along with the secure padlock icon in your browser. This simple check protects you from lookalike pages and ensures you're downloading from the right place. Go ahead and click the Wispr Effortless Voice Dictation result to open the official website. Once you're on the home page, you'll find a prominent button labeled Download for Windows. It's typically at the top of the page or clearly highlighted in the Hero section. If the layout looks a little different on your screen, just scroll a bit or check the main navigation for a download link. When you're ready, click Download for Windows. At this point, you may be prompted to sign in. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and continue. If you're new, select the option to create an account and follow the on-screen instructions. Keep your login details secure and only provide the minimal information needed to set up your profile. Some services send a quick confirmation email. If you see that prompt, return to the site once you've completed it so the download can continue. After you're signed in, the download should begin automatically. Your browser might ask you to confirm or keep the file. Choose the option that allows the download to proceed. You can watch the progress in your browser's download tray, and the file will usually land in your downloads folder unless you've set a custom location. If nothing starts after a moment, look for a small link on the page to manually trigger the download again. That's it. To recap, search for Wispr on Google, click the official Wispr. Effortless voice dictation result, then select Download for Windows and sign in or sign up if prompted. Pause or replay this video as needed while you complete each part and you'll have the Wispr installer file ready in just a few minutes.